Yebo yi hot topic yetu ya namhla lalelani. Hi KVG. Hi 326. I am a lady aged 28. Got married during lockdown and was blessed with twin boys. But my marriage collapsed after 2 years. My husband was abusive, ndaitorohwa, and he cheated on me countless times. I used to report nyaya ye marriage yangu kumba kwedu, and my mom would say, shingirira, ndizvo zvinoita dzimba, hazvinaki mazuva ese. Due to the physical abuse I endured, I ended up nzeve yangu yekuright, yakuara, haichanyatsonzwa, and when I got married, taigara pa family house, nevabereki, nana tete, and we were having problems because ndaitorohwa, vanhu varipo, family yake ichinzwa, yakateerera. After apedza kundirova, wainzwa mama vakuti, mwana wangu ane hasha manje, and haadi munhu anomupindura zvisina basa, dzikama. The sad part of it is one day I woke up ndichida kuendesa maCV kune imwe company, and unfortunately I realized kuti my O-level certificate raiva rabvarurwa. Hapana wandakakwanisa kunongedza kuti ndiye aita izvi. Hembe nebhutsu ndaingoti ndichida kupfeka, ndakuenda kubasa, waiwana dzakachekwa. In December 2022, my ex-husband said, chimboenda ku Christmas nevana, and after a week ndaenda ku holiday kumba kwedu. His mom texted my mom saying, mwana wenyu ane mhepo isingadi marriage. But ivo vanasikana vavo vese hapana ari married. They are all returned soldiers. And that was our separation. My ex-husband haasi kuchengeta vana from 2022, and arikuramba kuti ndinotoresa mabirth. Mabirth record ndiye akapiwa pandaive mu hospital when I gave birth. And there was one time I told him to go for DNA test kana ane doubts kuti vana havasi vake, but akaramba. Now vana vakuda kuenda ku preschool. His new girlfriend akandifonera achindiudza kuti vakuda kutora vana, and gogo vavo is in support. Hanzi vana vanofanirwa kuchengetwa kumba kwavo, but vana ava hapana chavakambovaitira kubva 2022 pavakabva kumba kwavo. Even pandaive ndichiri married, my ex-husband aisandipa support. Pay yake aidya iye nema-siblings ake, ini nevana tichitambura. I need custody yevana. When I went to the civil court sometime last week, ndakaudzwa kuti form custody costs $80. And with my current situation, handina kwekuiwana, because pabasa ndikada kushanda kwakunetsa nekuti ndinenge ndisinganzwi. So communication inenge ichinetsa. I miss a lot of important instructions and communication. So I end up being dismissed. Before this man blogged me on his socials, pane paakati go and report kwaunoda nyaya ye custody and maintenance yevana. Tione kuti zvinopera sei. Because one of his uncles is a respected person in high places and holds a strong position. Please vedari, dibatsireyo kuti ndoitawo sei. Remember, I am not getting full support from my family. My mom is saying, murume haendeswe kumatari. Dibatsireyo kuti ndoitawo sei nenhau yangu iyi. Iyo hot topic yetu ya namhla leyo.
Thank you so much, Saki. Okay, this one came in yesterday, right? Was it yesterday?
Yes,
or the day before yesterday?
It was yesterday.
Okay. I hope we're not too late. I'm sure we can try and make a plan for this lady. On 0772162651. Yeah. Hello, Star FM.
Hello, KVG. Hi, Sakiji.
Hello.
Yes. So for this issue here, this lady, my bed, kananga sada my bed, she can go and take my bed in Staraki. Father puts your car empty. That automatically then gives the custody evana. There's no need for a custody bed. You can have bed still in Stamaki. And then the acid drug with nothing from the father. Secondly, ngaende kunana Harare hospital jail nochika pari. Ona kuti can she see a specialist when they kutapiwe those earpieces so that akwanise kuzvishandira. And then in maintenance ngangoenda ku maintenance ku civil court. And then in the event kuti they use their connections ochienda ku the therapy in contempt of court munhu aende anosungiwa ushu because zvaari kutoita ka, he's just trying to abuse power.
Yes.
And bullying her.
Yes.
Abusing power.
Yes.
Yes. So ngaanotoresa mabhetnesa rake pasadza osiya, then oenda kucivil court for maintenance, and akangorega kuibhadhara maintenance iyo oenda kudzetarapi, anosungwa in contempt of court.
Thank you so much for your contribution there, and I hope she is taking note of everything that you've just said there. Yeah. Can we trace this one, Saki? Because there are people that are also coming in to say that we can raise the $80. I'm sure we can do that as a 326 Express. Usually when we harvest your hot topics, we always try to make sure that we don't have my number, my details, but I think also if it involves my sensitive issues, I think this is something that we need to reconsider and also harvest your numbers. I'm sure we can trace this one and see how we can channel the funds for those that are coming through on our WhatsApp platform talking about making a contribution to the $80 that she's talking about. Former custody rakafambira ku civil court $80 on 0772162651. It is our hot topic powered by Hamilton Insurance. A very heartbreaking one. Yatinayo Nasi. Hello, Star FM.
Hello, Star FM.
Hi, Maswera say.
Mulisaitete.
Taswera zvakanaka. Enderera henyu mberi.
Inini ndanga ndiri musame situation nemukadzi uyu.
Okay.
Yekuti unenge uchiabuswa, uchigara nehama dzemurume, uchitorohwa vachiona. Zvekuti zvinezvi nditori nesika kumeso. Then vana ndakasiya. Handisina kana maparents, ndisina kana pekutangira. Vana ndavasiya vakasvika pakutadza kuenda kuchikoro. I stand up for my kids. Ndikaita vhenda mutown umu. Ndikatora vana vangu. Ndichirambidzwa zvikanzi vana vakafa hatidi kukuona kuno. Ndakasvika kuudza everyone kuti mwana akafa ndinonoviga mwana wangu kumbudzi. Ndiye ndisina basa naye because anenge afa. Asi kana ndiri mupenyu mwana haite sei mwana haatamburi. Zvimwe zvachina zvoda kuti atomira iye. Samai. Because akaramba achingodheererwa kuda vanoramba vachingodheerera vana. Ngaaite stand up fevana vake. Maintenance. Nzeve ngainde anoramba achishanda kuemployiwa hakusiko kwega kushanda. Ngatsvage kana zvekuti anozviitira kana kunorapwa nzeve ozvishandira. Because vana kana iye anga asingadiwa hapana pachadiwa vana ava nevabereka.
Yeah. And I think right now Pavave, I think anenge awana mudzimai munyowani now vakuda kuchitora the twin boys sekutaura kwaari kuita, and she's saying I want to hold on to my children, like what you're saying kuti makamira nevana venyu nyangwe nhamo muchiziva kuti ndikusangana nenhamo asi vana maida kuti vange vari pamuri, and that, I think that's ndo pane nyaya yekuti ndoita sei ari kuti murume ari kuti akafambira nyaya iyi ari kuti ndine hama dziri in high places dzinokwanisa kuti dziparadze nyaya iyi kuti haina kwainoenda.
Vana anotora handiti. But iye she has to be strong zvakuti vana ndichamira ndega kupiwa kana kusapiwa. Because even akaita kana vending chaicha akawana $10 per day kwanisa kutochengeta vana vake akararama akaenda kuchikoro. Because pamwe pachina kutora vana handiti kana maintenance unogona kunzi kana $40 kana kuti $50 semunhu ada kumufixa. Saka iwo samai unotongosimba utongoziva kuti vana vavangu. Zvimwe zvinozoteverwa kubatsirwa kana kusabatsirwa zvinozouya.
Okay. Thank you so much for that, and thank you so much for sharing your story. A lady who has been in a similar situation, and you just wonder kuti ndokwatasvika here kwekuti unoona mumwe mudzimai achirohwa uri maiwo handizi ndiamwe navo vari kuona munhu muroora ari kurohwa, ndiana tete vari kuona muroora ari kurohwa asi vanomirira havo kana muroora apedza kurohwa votomutsura kutoti havadi kupindurwa. Kunovapindurirei dai wambodzikama. You know, it's just heartbreaking. Star FM, hello. How are you, Sherry?
Not happy. The reason why I'm not happy is I received a similar story from another lady who got my numbers in the group with my friends. And she was complaining about the same situation yesterday. And Arguti murume wake anongomurova whenever he feels like it, if they have a small argument and whatever. And I told her to report. And as the other people were saying, most women are actually afraid to go report because they're afraid of their kids, who was going to take care of their kids. But in the situation in Kadzoe, I really hate a man who overuses his power by saying things like, there's nothing you can do even if you go to the court. No one is above the court. No one is above the law.
Yes.
No matter who you are, even if you're a minister or whatever, you are not above the law. If the law says do not do this and you do that, you are breaching the laws of the country and you need to be arrested. I was raised by a single mom, and I know exactly how it feels. You know, to see your mom struggling. Struggling, knowing that your kids are safe and they're happy. You know, then for you to try to abuse the power yake, it won't work. So she should just go and we will help her raise that money. Go and get those papers for her kids' safety. That's what I'm because that mom it's already showing the mom is in support of the
husband, and
exactly.
Yeah.
Because if what does that mean? And you know that person has got children. You to see him natural, and then you just look about to support wangu, mwana, hasha. No, come on, guys. Let's be people, human beings at the end of the day. No matter she's supposed to actually go defend it. Now she can't hear clearly because of the husband. But because of the hearing issue. Do you understand where you're going? It's like, no, she should just fight back as much as she can, you know, and I really am not in support of any abusive man. There's a lot of single women out there because they're trying to shingida relationship. She can work it out on her own. My mom did it. She's still a strong woman, although she got remarried, but still, she stood alone. What do I mean? And look at me now, we're all grown up, so she can do the same.
Sharon Maita, and thank you so much for sharing your story. I think mukutaura tinenge tisingaziye my background kuti kwatakabva ndekupi, and this is the first time also hearing Sherry's story, being raised by a single mom and some of the challenges that she faced kuti vana vazoyaruka kusvika pavave. On 0772162651, it is our hot topic. You are connecting with us and reacting to our hot topic for today. Hello, Star FM.
Hi, KVG. Hi, Saki.
Hi, Maswera.
Good. Hey, yeah, you know, there is some function. Anyway, just to say, Mkazuyu, number one, I think she still has to report abuse.
Yes.
Because actually, evidence, varipo, she can still sue the husband. Akatoana help. She needs to visit Sanamsasa project so that she can see how best she can be helped. Because because there's still evidence abuse. Then from there, I think there's still Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights. They also have a part to play in this case. She also have to visit their offices so that she can get assistance. I don't know if a lawyer issue yake solve. So she needs to know this. If she's not helped, she also needs to visit the Ministry of Public Service and Social Welfare. They also have a case management system which they use to register such cases as well. So she still needs to lodge a case because this husband, he needs fixed by the state.
Indeed. Thank you so much for that contribution, and I really appreciate that because padare redu tine vanenge vakatofambira nyaya dzacho vakarava mabhuku vanoziva kuti zvinofambiswa sei. Chimwe chinotidzosera kumashure sevanhu kusatoziva, kutoshaya uchenjeri. Dzimwe nguva unoomerwa kusvika pekupedzisira Saki, but umwe munhu akatoinzwa nyaya anoti dai wamhanya kwakati, and vane nzvimbo dzavatodoma vakati ukaenda kwakati unogona kubatsirikana. And we thank you so much for just, you know, coming through and sharing so that people are aware kuti kana zvaoma kudai tinomhanyira kupi. So tinokutendai darere 326 Express, and let's try line 2 Star FM. Hello. Taswera maswera omaitanya tukunzwirai kuri stereki. Turukukunzwai asi iri faint zvisingaite. If you can try one more time.
Hello.
Yes, takukunzwai zvakanaka.
Ndanga kuti zvinhu zvinorwadza mukurarama kwedu kuti vakadzi tinopinda mamarriage zvitonzishingirira ende mumwe munhu wemukadzi achitosapota iwewe uchitoshungurudzwa munhu achirohwa kusvikira wane disability yekuti hauchanzwa. Saka inini hangu ndanchiti pane vacho vari kuda kukontribhuta katinoikontribhuta mari yacho iyoyoyo, asi chinhu wani chandongoda kuti ndiudze mukadzi ndechekuti Mwari ndimari remherera neshirikari. Saka akapedza kufaita nhau yekastodi yake she should learn to let go things, then otanga kushandira vana vake. Mwari vanomubatsira.
Thank you so much for that, Maitanya. I think we are trying to see if we can trace a number, proving to be difficult, but I'm sure we can do it. And kanatakwanisa kudaro, then we can then share and announce kwamuri kuti tinokwanisa here kuraise $80. But from what I'm seeing on our WhatsApp platform, I think Mariajo inenge atokwana. Hello, Star FM.
Hi, KVG. Hi, Sakiji.
Hi, Maswera.
Yes,
Oh, and the line dropped there. Let's try line 2. Hello, Star FM.
Thank you for picking this call. I know your time is pressed. I just want to say to this woman, if you are listening, well done for coming through. Well done for stepping out of your shell. I want to appeal to you emotionally to say, right now you're surrounded by people that are not supporting you. Your mother as well, your mother-in-law, they are not understanding the gravity of your situation. So don't then go back for any advice. What you're being told on this platform, please put it in action and realize the people around you, they are not to give you, they can't assist you with the right advice that you need.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm getting emotional, but well done for coming through, and this is the step in the right direction. I think in terms of the steps, the other callers have done very well in giving you the advice. But well done.
Thank you so much, my dear. I think we're all getting emotional in the studio. Yeah, it's a very heartbreaking one that we're dealing with today. But Sesha Mataura tinotenda nendarere 326 Express vatipa uchenjeri, and that's all we ask for, right? Whenever we come through, tinoonesana sei, tinobatsirana sei munguva dzokuti umwe ari kutambudzika, ari kuti ndaomerwa. I know there's always someone with a solution, someone who can say, listen, this is a possible solution. Mamboza maizhere, zvinobudirira here. Star FM, hello.
Hi, KVG.
Hi, Maswera.
Yes, so I maybe just to encourage the lady to also confirm, we have been referring ladies to apply for custody, and it's free as far as I'm concerned to apply for custody in the country, and to apply for maintenance. The forms are free. And also to encourage, I think there's a call at our register in a name.
Okay.
This will be perceived as a hostile move. So what she then needs is, she now needs to stop thinking about paying maintenance and start preparing to work for her children and moving on. Because it's also disempowering in some way to apply for maintenance. Yes, it's a right, you should do it, but sometimes they also find it as a tool to keep on abusing you and to keep on releasing your trauma, because ucharamba uchimuteerera kunyange akasungwa unenge watomboenda kumapurisa vachimuteerera, moenda futi kukoti achinotaura mareasons, and sometimes vanogona kuti I can afford $30 and you can't dispute that because that's what you present. So she needs to start thinking about moving on. Thank you.
Thank you, my dear. Mapendera hot topic yedu ya nasi. Allow us to do our homework, and hopefully Mangwana on a Thursday, as we round up our hot topics for the week, we will have a plan. Paneva tauro tukune kwa anoto wanikwa, those forms are for free. And jandanda taura paya kuti dzimwe nguva kungoshaya information. You're not really aware. Where do I go? So thank you so much for giving us that information. And like I say, tomorrow I'm sure we'll be able to trace back her number through the help of our engineers. We are Star FM, sounding good all the time. Our hot topic.
What is your name again? 3 to 6 Express on Star.